Hey everybody, I'm Simon from VIEZU, and I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to talk about the wonderful opportunities you've got with the Magic Flex to not only tune engines, but also transmissions. It's often overlooked when you're tuning a vehicle, whether it's a stage 1 performance tune or an economy tune, for example, that the gearbox gets left as standard. Well, there's a great upsell opportunity to obviously offer more services and more tuning, but also to improve how the car drives and operates. And the Magic Flex has one of the most robust and largest application lists for transmission tuning. We've got a DSG control unit behind us here in this Audi, but also it covers Mercedes control units, it covers ZF boxes, so you're looking at BMW gearbox tuning. A huge range of control units are supported with the Magic Flex. So simply with your USB plugged into your computer, your Magic Flex software open, and your OBD port plugged into the car, you're ready to go and start tuning gearboxes as well. Remember, it's not just the tuning function of the gearboxes that's supported with the Magic Flex, you've also got the cloning and repair functionality as well. With one of the most rounded and in-depth reading capabilities when it comes to transmissions, the cloning function enables repair shops who specialise in mechatronic units or even just general vehicle repair shops to then offer a service to repair faulty, failing or corrupted DSG, ZF and various other control units to support repairs and maintenance on these vehicles. Remember, if you're tuning an engine and it's got an automatic transmission, make sure you've got the Magic Flex in your toolbox as a professional tuner, garage offering these tuning services to then put tuning on both of those control units to really unlock the true potential of that vehicle. Again, whether it's for economy tuning or whether it's performance tuning or somewhere in between, or even just repairing those transmissions, the Magic Flex is one of the best tools on the market to offer those services. Check out our links to the tool so you can see the full range of application list, prices, and if you need more help and support on the tool itself, we have a full range of tuning guides and instructional videos taking you through OBD, boot and bench with the Magic Flex and the Flex box. For more information, if you can't find it on the site, speak to one of our team, either email or call us today, and our professional team will be on hand to help answer any of your questions you've got. Thanks for watching, everybody.